I was about to say guess what we're making, but they already know what we're making. Unfortunately, we're gonna put this pizza out and we're gonna wrap it in this cookie dough and we're gonna put it in the oven.
Do not eat it, it's raw.
I've already eaten it. Oh, and I'm gonna put this on top. We need all of it! All of it! Yeah, that works. He stabbed his hand. This is gonna be good. This is a good idea. This is the first good idea. Whose circle looks better right now? Clearly mine. What is that? Okay, it's a little bit bigger. Stop rolling it! It sounds horrifying. Can I get this transferred to that? Okay, okay. This is gonna be so good. We don't need a roller. Look at that.
Did you use pan this pan?
Was I supposed to?
Probably.
This is a quite a heavy pizza.
This thing doesn't even fit in there.
Look at that. Okay.
Close it up.
We got it back. Woo! So I don't know how long to put something like this in. We're gonna do it 12 to 13 minutes. Would you rather have a little bit burnt pizza or a little bit burnt cookies?
Pizza.
A little bit burnt pizza, so we'll do 12 minutes then. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. I didn't know that. What the flip? Oh my god! It's done, it's done, it's done, it's done. Woo! We're taking it out at 1 o'clock. It's exactly 1. Oh, it burnt. Oh, that was a horrible idea. What do we do? It's dripping off the edge. That's how it burnt. Ow! That's hot, hot, hot. Ow, 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 ow. I don't smell anything. Oh my god. Scrape off the sides. We'll pop it in the oven like that. Yeah, it's done. This is done. The edge is finished because they were thin. Who wants to lose a hand? I almost did.
It'll clean that better than you could. Peace.
Who wants a slice of pizza? Yummy. Pizza, cookie. Cookie pizza. Let's try it, shall we? It's not something I would eat, but it's what you'd expect. A pizza wrapped in a cookie. I'm gonna feed it to the birds. Hopefully they like it.
I'm not sure if they can eat chocolate though.
Oh well, if they die, they die. It wasn't my choice. They ate it, not me.
The car coming.
Oh my god, film it, film it, film it, film it, film it, film it, film the car. Film that car, boy. Did it run over it? That looks really nasty, right?
Yeah, it's gonna get worse than some. Was it on the shoes?
On the Tims.
It's not the Tims.
She walked by.
I don't know yet.
No.
Oh, she's walking. She's right next to her.
Stop, stop. Oh my god, she's looking in the window. Stop it! Stop it! The ground's very hot. Those aren't shoes. They're sandals.